Hi, I'm Kelsey Van Meter, and this summer for my internship, I worked at Michelle Farmer Collaborate as a buying intern. I worked on inventory for a certain brand, shooting social media content for the store, and helping tag new products that came from a vendor. Presented to you are action shots of my day-to-day activities. I found the internship position on the APME tab through Canva. I applied through Handshake and talked to HR on the phone first, and then interviewed on Zoom with Stacy, the assistant manager of the Palm Beach store. From application to acceptance was about 3 weeks. I really enjoyed getting to help with different areas in the business. The three of the most important things I learned during my internship were having a great communication skills with coworkers, learning more about what goes into a daily job for a buyer, and not being afraid to ask questions when there is confusion. The advice I have for future interns is that there is going to be a lot of no's before you hear that yes, so just keep looking forward and keep applying.